Hello, Miss. I'm Gonzalo Tapia, and I'm going to present about Viña del Mar. Viña del Mar is characterized for being a very beautiful tourist city. It is also known like the Garden City by the amount of flowers that the streets have. Located in the fifth region of Chile where develops the Viña del Mar Festival. Tourism is an important area of development of the community. Currently, the city has invested a strong sum in spaces that generate profits from tourists. In Viña del Mar, we can find many places to spend the night, places that are accessible into people's pockets. The Hotel del Mar, located at Avenue San Martin 199, Viña del Mar, is close to the beach with a beautiful view. Another hotel to spend the night is the Agora Hotel located at 5.5 West 253 Viña del Mar. It is a 60-minute walk from the beach. The Flower Clock Hotel, located at Calle Los Baños 70, Caleta Albarca, Viña del Mar, in front of the famous flower clock of Viña del Mar, which is at affordable prices for all people. Typical foods of the area and where to get them. Viña del Mar stands out for his restaurants and delicious preparations, especially with sea products, such as fish and shellfish. There are also traditional the empanadas that can be filled with cheese and some shellfish, such as oysters, syrup, jaiba, etc. To enjoy typical food, we can go to a restaurant called Tixpiron Restaurant, located at 6 North, number 96, Viña del Mar. Another restaurant to enjoy typical food from the area is Restaurant Rocinero, located at Avenue San Martin 469, Viña del Mar. You can get to these places in private cars or in public buses and are accessible to all the people. Tourist attractions. The first one is Flower Clock. It is a fully functional flower clock and beautiful to behold. It is located in front of Avenue Marina Aviana. Quinta Vergara is a park in the Viña del Mar district with its gardens and the amphitheater where the Viña del Mar International Songs Festival is held annually. And Reñaca Beach is located to the north of the Viña del Mar commune, going up Avenue Almirante Jorge Montt. It has a very nice coastal promenade that is pleasing to the eyes. Thank you so much for your attention.